हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में रीट एग्जाम 2017 के लेवल फर्स्ट के इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सेकंड के 30 क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व किए गए एंड ये 30 क्वेश्चंस ऑथेंटिक आंसर की यानी कि वो आंसर की जो कि बोर्ड के द्वारा रिलीज की गई थी उसके साथ सॉल्व किए गए हैं। लेट्स मूव ऑन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सेकंड का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द बैटरी हैज केम डाउन, गोन डाउन, रन डाउन, रेन डाउन। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। The battery has run down. Next question. Curtal sonnet is 14-line poem, 10 and a half line poem, 13-line poem, 18 and a half line poem. Option B is the correct answer. Curtal sonnet is a 10 and a half line poem. It means it is an 11-line poem. Next question. A lament for the dead is a feature of ode, elegy, sonnet, drama. A lament for the dead is a feature of elegy. Next question. A fictional prose tale of no specified length but too short to be published as a volume is drama, novel, novellas, short story. It is short story. Next question. Conflict is a feature of poem, story, drama, novel. Conflict is a feature of drama. Next question. Identify the word in which the end sound is different from the other words. Sleep, reap, teach, deep. Option C, teach. Next question. It's a bonus question. Next question. Principle of linking with life in teaching of English involves use of word structure, use of semantic structure of English language in daily life, use of building structures in daily life, use of graded structures of English language in daily life situation. Option D is the correct answer. Use of graded structures of English language in daily life situation. Next question. In communication teaching, teacher promotes communication by creating situation, teacher's talk, bonding of alphabet, creating nervousness. Option A is the correct answer. Creating situation. Next question. Linguistic competence refers to communication knowledge of grammar, communication knowledge of vocabulary, capability of knowledge, communication knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. Option D is the correct answer. Communication knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. Next question. The challenge of acquisition poor environment refers to learners learning of literature, poor study habit, pollution in English language, limitation of learning English language in classroom. Option D is the correct answer. Limitation of learning English language in classroom. Next question. One of the main barriers to listening skill is time and dime, barricades of class, learner's prejudice, unscathed ear. Option C is the correct answer. Learner's prejudice. Next question. Remedial language teaching is meant for development of particular skills left by regular teaching, areas left by regular teaching, limitation of class size. Option D is the correct answer. Both A and B. Particular skills left by regular teaching and areas left by regular teaching. Next question. Remedial work for spoken English involves drill and studying, revision, drill, situational communicative practice and reviewing. Going through situational practice, revision and practice. Option B is the correct answer. Revision, drill, situational communicative practice and reviewing. Next question. Communicative approach to evaluation emphasizes importance of meaning of utterance rather than form and structure, importance of form and structure, importance of evaluation, importance of learner. Option A is the correct answer. Importance of meaning of utterance rather than form and structure. Next question. The integral approach of language testing involves testing of primary language, secondary language, third language, language in context. Option D is the correct answer. Language in context. Next question. It's a bonus question. Next question. Remedial teaching should be carried out on identification of senior learners, identification of early learners, identification of late learners, identification of melody on language test and its causes. Option D is the correct answer. Identification of melody on language test and its causes. Next question. During preparation of test paper, Teacher takes care of item development according to nominated evaluator, instruction objectives, number 2 copies to be distributed, seating arrangement. Option B is the correct answer. Instruction objectives. Next question. In remedial teaching, concentration on trouble spot is best done by arranging intensive practice, arranging medicine, arranging trouble, arranging bubble spot. Option A is the correct answer. Arranging intensive practice. नेक्स्ट पैसेज है एंड पैसेज को रीड करके क्वेश्चन आंसर करने. पैसेज. पैट्रियोटिज्म और लव फॉर वंस कंट्री is one of the noblest sentiments of man. It is love that comes from one's gratefulness to the land where one is born, the country that provides everything that makes life worth living: food, clothing and shelter, families, friends, and the way of life of its people. Or, in other words, it is our country that gives us all that we enjoy and all that makes man's life different and richer than of all other animals. That is why patriotic feelings are natural to man. Question. Which one of the following is the most appropriate title for the passage? Patriotism, love for country, noblest sentiment, patriotic feelings. Option A is the correct answer. Patriotism. Next question. In the above paragraph, in other words, indicates emphasis, reformulation, sequence, addition. Option B is the correct answer. Reformulation. Next question. The captain as well as his soldiers is ready to march. Next question. In the above passage, the author wants to convey patriotism is second to any other sentiment. Patriotism is not natural. One must be patriotic to an extent. One should be grateful to the land where one is born. Option D is the correct answer. One should be grateful to the land where one is born. Next question. People who buy stocks are no different from people who bet on horse racing. They both risk their money with little chance of making a big profit. The fallacy of hasty generalization, the fallacy of false analogy, the fallacy of composition, the fallacy of equivocation. Option B is the correct answer. The fallacy of false analogy. Next question. What two words are typically used in the construction of a simile? These words are like and as. Next question. Which of the following lines contains an example of assonance? The slit stripped her sneakers. The energy dog barked loudly. The clown caught the kid before he fell. This is how the world goes. Option A is the correct answer. The slit stripped her sneakers. Next question. What device is present in the line? The wind whistled a high and lonesome tune. Irony, personification, metaphor, alliteration. Option B is the correct answer. Personification. Next question. The sentence, the lazy lizard lounged near the lake, is an example of metaphor, alliteration, hyperbole, paradox. It's an example of alliteration. Last question. He said he might consider his decision. Then friends, ये थे 30 क्वेश्चंस जो कि हमने ऑफिशियल आंसर की के साथ सॉल्व किए. आई होप कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा होगा एंड अगर ये आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा है तो लाइक माय वीडियो एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट.